at my newest listing at 499 Moreland Avenue, Unit K, right in the heart of Candler Park. This is not your typical townhome. This lives very much like a single family property. It has incredible details, really high quality construction. You can see beautiful built-ins throughout, and it's got 10-foot ceilings on every floor. So this location is amazing. You are right in the heart of the city. You've got the business district right outside your door. You can walk to multiple coffee shops and bars. You also are right next to Freedom Park and access to the path, which takes you directly to the Beltline. So off of the front living room, we are in the back of the home, which is the true heart of this home. We have a very large living space, perfect space for dining, and then this kitchen that's open into the entire area. We even have a really nice balcony off of the back. This is full of windows, 10-foot high ceilings, built-in speakers. We even have additional windows so that you get full light on 3 sides. It's really a special property. So we are in the primary suite, so it's a really nice sized room, high ceilings that are coffered. We even have this amazing little balcony off the front that's perfect for a nightcap. So the bathroom off the primary suite has double vanity, jetted tub, and a large separate shower. It's a really nice space. Finishing up the upstairs, we have 2 additional nicely sized bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bath with a gorgeous view of the trees. So coming downstairs, we're now on the terrace level of the home, and it still continues this amazing detailing along the sides. It has a large room downstairs that you could use as a guest bedroom, or it works really great as an office or a media room. We also have a half bath. You could turn it into a full if you were interested, and there's a true double car garage. My favorite feature of this area though are these built-ins. This is so perfect for whenever you walk in with all of your book bags and shoes. It even has a spot for your umbrella. How perfect is that?